Hi folks, welcome back to the Millside Kitchen. Can't cook but now have to. Tonight we're making Scotch eggs.
Scotch eggs, great wee dish, especially now when the kids are off school. You get in, it gets messy, there's sausage meat and all the flour, egg and breadcrumbs. They tend to enjoy that sort of thing. So I'm going to roll up a couple of eggs and just a bit of plain sausage meat. Got this from a local butcher down at McGill's this afternoon. Of course, you can get it anywhere, but just slightly bigger than a golf ball, and you're flattened out there like you've seen, and I'm just working this around the egg. Now, it can be thick, it can be thin, it won't really matter. That'll affect your final cooking time. We'll do one more time. Do you see? So there you go. You have the sausage meat all around the egg. So we'll take another wee taste. So you start working out with your hands. It's a bit quick that first one, apologies. And kind of flattened out. Say it's messy, you know, your hands are all gooey. The sausage meat's a bit, a bit sticky. We're sinking the egg in the middle and we're just working around. So I'm going to pass these around to Stephanie and she's going to run the breadcrumb through them. Oh, there you see, that's it, it can pop out very quick. There we are. I like to keep Stephanie a wee bit of work here, so she's going to do that.
So folks, we've got a panny. This is what this is called, a panny. We've got flour, seasoned flour, egg, breadcrumb, and this is our clean dish. So what we want to do when we're working with the panny in the kitchen is one dirty, one clean. So what we mean with that is this is our dry. So dry hand. This is our wet, so it would be dry as in dirty. So we do this, we change hands, always keeping the dry hand dry. And the reason why we do that is we don't want clumps. So if I was to put this into this and come back, it'll leave clumps around it. When you fry it, it's just not good. So then we drain out, back in with the dry. Simple wee process, one wet, one dry. And that's it. That's a panny. It's breadcrumb, back to Darryl to fry.
Super, thank you. Just realised Stephanie's left-handed and I had set that up as a right-handed. So anyway, into the fryer, or you can again do it in a pan, shallow fry it. This is going to be, simple and easy. Set at 170 degrees and that'll probably be in there for about 6 minutes. Now, as always with these cooking tutorials, we're always one step ahead. So I had made one of these just 10 minutes ago. It's in the oven. I'm going to pull it out like you see it. So it's had its 7 minutes in the fryer, just holding in the oven the last couple of minutes. And as I said, it's not big, it's not clever. It's one we've been asked for. It's one that's good fun for the kids. It gets a bit messy, but it's a great dish. Big plate of chips, sauce, some beans, whatever. You can see just beaten in there. Lovely big chunky Scotch egg. Now I'm going to probably get dug into that in a wee second. So there you are folks, enjoy that one and see you soon.